The HK USP, which stands for Universal Self-Loading Pistol, is a semi-automatic pistol by German gun company Heckler Koch. It was introduced in 1993 and is available in 9mm 40 Smith and Wesson 45 ACP and 357 SIG. The USP uses a Browning-style cam-locked action with a polymer frame and a barrel length of 4.3 inches. The USP was originally intended for law enforcement and commercial buyers in the United States, but the USP has gained a substantial following internationally, and the variant of the pistol is the official sidearm of the German Army. One of the distinguishing features of the USP is the mechanical recoil reduction system. It consists of a short additional spring located within the main recoil spring on the breech end of the recoil spring assembly. When the handgun is fired, the larger outer spring serves as the primary recoil spring. HK has claimed that in addition to reducing stress on the firearm, the spring system also reduces felt recoil by as much as 30%.